If your Linksys extender is offline, first, check the LED light. A solid blue light means the extender is connected. Red, orange, or no light usually means the extender has lost connection to the router. Unplug the extender. Wait for 30 seconds. Now plug it back in and wait until the light becomes stable. Move the extender closer to the router. If the extender is too far away, it may stay offline, even if the Wi-Fi signal appears strong. Open the Linksys app. If the extender shows offline, tap the device and choose Reconnect Extender. If the reconnection attempt fails, you may need to forget the extender's network settings and perform a fresh setup. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Wait until the LED starts blinking. The extender is now ready for a fresh setup. Open your browser and go to extender.linksys.com. Follow the setup wizard and reconnect the extender to your home Wi-Fi network. Once setup is complete, the LED should become solid blue. This means your Linksys extender is online and extending your Wi-Fi successfully. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Wi-Fi tips.